Hello everybody, today it's an unboxing time. Asus 4G AC86U wireless 4G router. With this router you get 3 bands of Wi-Fi, AC 2.4G and 5G. That's up to 2600 megabytes per second with AC. Also get commercial grade security for your home network by Trend Micro. There's the ports in the switch. You have a WAN and 4 GB Ethernets, a USB. Okay, the first thing about this, we have a universal power outlet. That's a bit funky. Should work just fine. Here we have the antennas. Clean that shit into your mind. Proper shit. And here the router itself. Looks high quality, snazzy stuff. And there, a SIM card slot. Also included in the box, a short cable. Works perfectly. Highly recommended this product. True Detective out.